In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your header in Hostinger Website Builder. Let's get started by opening your site in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your page exactly as visitors would. We'll focus on the header, which is the top section that usually contains your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes a call to action button. This area appears on every page, so small improvements here make a big difference across your whole site. Click directly on the header section at the top of the page. When it's selected, the editor will highlight it and reveal editing options in the sidebar or on a floating toolbar. If your template includes multiple header variations, make sure you're editing the one set as the default for your pages. Now make the changes you want to the text, logo, menu, buttons, or layout. If your site uses a text title, update the wording and choose a clear, readable font. If you have a logo, upload a high-quality file and adjust its size so it's visible without overpowering the rest of the header. For your navigation menu, review the order of links and the wording of each label and confirm that each item points to the right page. If there's a button in the header, rewrite the text to be action-oriented and connect it to the most important page, such as a contact or sign-up page. Explore the layout settings to set the position of the logo and menu, switch between centered and left-aligned styles, and fine-tune how elements stack on smaller screens. Next, adjust spacing, colors, or alignment to create a polished look. Increase or decrease the header's padding for breathing room, and maintain consistent spacing between the logo, menu, and button. Choose colors that match your brand and provide strong contrast so text is readable against the background. Align items carefully to keep the header balanced and professional. If your header sits over an image, consider a solid or semi-transparent background to keep links and buttons clear. When you're happy with the design, preview the page to make sure the header looks right. Use the preview to check desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Confirm that text doesn't wrap awkwardly, the logo stays crisp, the menu behaves as expected, and the button remains easy to tap on smaller screens. Finally, save and publish your changes. Saving keeps your work in the editor, while publishing makes the updates live for visitors. After publishing, refresh your site to see everything in action. That's it. Your header is now customized and ready to make a great first impression.